If you need a jointer and planer and can't decide which one to get first, the new Jet JJP-12 jointer planer combo will solve that problem for you while saving space and money at the same time. The Jet JJP-12 is built around an all-steel fully welded base cabinet that houses the 3 horsepower motor and the planer section. The jointer section includes a full 12-inch wide cut capability with 55-inch long tables that provide plenty of stability for larger pieces. The bridge-style guard is designed to keep the cutter head covered at all times. When doing wide-face jointing, the bridge-style guard is adjusted so the wood will pass just beneath it. The height of the guard is controlled by this knob at the end of the arm. You just screw it down to bring the guard down to where you need it. For edge jointing, we can bring the guard down close to the table and adjust its width so it just clears the wood being worked with. Here again, the cutter head remains covered throughout the operation. The in-feed and out-feed tables are adjustable for height. For cut depths, loosen this knob, push the handle to wherever you need for that cut, tighten the knob, and you are ready to go. The extruded aluminum fence is 6 inches tall, very rigid, and can be adjusted for bevel cuts up to 45 degrees using this scale and adjuster. Positioning the fence on the jointer table is done with these wide-spaced handles that give you great stability when tightening down. To change from jointing to planing functions, we release the table locking handles. There's one on either side of the cabinet. Then you use this handle and simply lift the jointer table up. When the table gets into its upright position, this lock falls into place and holds it there. Notice the heavy coil springs on the jointer table hinges. These make the tables feel a lot lighter than they really are. With the jointer tables raised, you can see the cutter head and the roller assembly, starting at the in-feed with a row of gravity-operated anti-kickback fingers, followed by the serrated in-feed roller. Next is the large diameter 3-blade cutter head, and finally the mar-free rubber-covered out-feed roller. To complete the transition to planer, just flip the dust collection shroud over and lock it into position. All the planer controls are on the end of the machine. This is the table for the planer and the depth scale. This handle engages the feed rollers. This is the lock for the table height adjustment, and the hand wheel that engages the table height. It has a scale tape on it that allows for very, very fine adjustments. An important feature of the Jet JJP-12 is how easily and quickly it can be changed from one mode to the other. Here we see the machine in joining mode. Note that there is no need to move the fence or guard whatsoever. Simply release the locking handles on either end of the steel frame. Lift the top. The safety locks will self-engage. Flip the dust collection shroud over into its locked position, and you are ready to plane. To transition back to joining mode, simply disengage the lock on the dust shroud and flip it back over. Release the safety lock, lower the top, re-engage the table lock handles, and you're back and ready to join. The new Jet Jointer Planer was designed to bring dual capabilities to your shop in a single space-saving package. Our focus on accuracy, function, and durability means that the new Jet Jointer Planer is as economical as it is versatile.